President Kenny Kunene. Deputy President Kenny Kunene. Amandla. Awethu. Amandla. Awethu. Asibulise abantu base-KZN. Lolu daba esikhuluma ngalo namhlanje lubuhlungu kakhulu. Ngoba lento iyenzwe i-government efike kuqala from 1994 namabhunu aphethe amabhizinisi ngoba amabhunu akafuni ukuthi baqashe abantu baseMzansi Afrika baqashe ama-illegal immigrants ngoba ababhadali imali elungile for bona babatreata njengama-slave bababhadala ama-slave salaries ama-South Africans akathola umsebenzi manje thina siyi-Patriotic Alliance siyesaya emabhodeni ibhoda yaseZimbabwe neSouth Africa ibhoda yaseLesotho neSouth Africa siyabonisa ukuthi ugovernment akayenzi lutho singena kuyipolitiki ngoba sifuna ukuthi si-implement i-constitution yethu ithi mawungena amaphepha ufanele ukuthi uhambe ufanele ukuthi ubuyele ekhaya manje singene kule GNU hayi ukuthi siyodla singene ukuthi siyosebenza ngihamba la no Millicent Mathupa member of parliament ye Patriotic Alliance deployed to portfolio committee ye home affairs manje ngithe azela azoba nomphakathi ngoba uyangitshela ukuthi bathola ukuthi yakhona ama-airlines aletha ama-illegal foreigners through Tambo yakhona ama-buses aletha ama-illegal foreigners when they are found they are only fined. We are calling on the Minister of Police to implement the constitution. ETA ifune home affairs whereby they want to legalize illegal immigrants so that they can employ them in their businesses at the expense of South Africans. That's why our call is very clear. Abahambe, manyiti aba, uti hambe, aba, 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 Masizala, ngibonenye into program director, amashopo avuliwe, wama illegal foreigners, bayahleka, bathatha video. With the next march, when we go to Pointe, singala maphoyisa, avalele amashopo. If abavali, sizowavala. If abavali, sizowavala. Isolethu eli, asizohlekwa ngamaPakistani anukayo, banuka amakhwapha, abagezi laba bantu, bathengisa ukudla kubolile. Bosithi yengani uthola nama-foreigners. Ngoba in the next elections sizobona ibhodo ithi Mthandazo Khumalo mawuthi uyabeka ubuso nguMohammed Ibrahim Abdul ngiyangicela bosisi nisenzela inkinga aba salute. Hey. Adam Shalison. Ubamsisa umuntu onemali bafowethu. Abamsisa uma ziphutha. Adam Shalison.